Welcome back. This is Monday lunchtime. Uncertainty hangs over electricity tariffs for 2021 as the National Energy Regulator embarks on a process to respond to a number of issues arising from various court judgments that would all have a bearing on price. This, of course, is of no help to businesses already hard hit by the lockdown, who I guess want to develop strategies for next year. Chris Yelland watches the energy sector for us. He's with eIntelligence. Chris, good afternoon to you. So very briefly, why this climate of uncertainty and what does the regulator need to do, and I guess with speed?
Yeah, the uncertainty relates to a whole series of regulatory determinations by NERSA dating back as long as 2015, so many years back. There have been delays in NERSA reaching these determinations for various reasons. There have been challenges in court, and ultimately the courts are starting to make decisions and also referring certain decisions back to NERSA for rework, saying that they didn't apply their mind properly. The courts are not going to apply their minds on behalf of NERSA because NERSA is supposed to be the expert, but the courts have referred these back to NERSA. So NERSA is looking at these and actually going out to public hearings, which is very strange because now NERSA is basically saying, oh, well, now the public, let's hear what your comments are. You know, I'm not sure that with the complexity of these situations that the public is in any position to really help NERSA make its own determinations. Bottom line is there's a huge amount of certainty. NERSA issued a press statement recently saying that it could provide no certainty as to the price increase for next year because of all these pending decisions and court cases, which leaves the industry in a very bad space because business and industry need to know what the price trajectory ahead is in order to make proper decisions, business decisions, investment decisions, etc.
Why is NERSA dropping the ball then? Is it timid or is it incompetent?
I think it's a mixture of all of these, as well as efforts on NERSA's part, to try and moderate the demands of a very powerful monopoly, Eskom, and to balance the needs of customers on the one hand for reasonable prices and reasonable price increases, and the very serious needs of Eskom to maintain a sustainable business. So it is a difficult balancing act for sure, but NERSA has to apply its own methodology correctly, otherwise it's going to be challenged in court as it has been.
All right, Chris Yelland from eIntelligence, thank you very much indeed. Now to the